Hi everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So just a really quick update. We've got a whole stack of kilo tigers and 2022 koalas in stock. Some people may have ordered them online and be waiting for them to be delivered. Some people may be anticipating buying them. However, we've had to put a hold on the whole lot, including the ones that we've already sold, because we've discovered that they've been shipped with scratches on the capsules. So we've contacted Perth Mint. We're getting new capsules dispatched to us as quickly as we can, but that's caused a bit of a hold up. So if you've already placed the order but haven't received your order yet, you'll find we're actually holding it back until we receive these new capsules. If you'd like to place an order for kilo tigers and kilo koalas, 2022s, give us a call, 1300 84 84 10, or come into the store, level 6227 Collins Street. We're not putting them back up on the web until we get the new capsules in, because we don't want somebody inadvertently buying one, needing it in a hurry, and then us sitting on it for a week while we get these new capsules. So that's just a really quick update. Any inquiries, again, give us a call, 1300 84 84 10. See ya.